Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PostFinance TWINT how to close account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your PostFinance app and then tap on the start. Now once you are here, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is go to the settings, generally in the gear menu. And then once you do that, what you need to do is select the delete account or deregister among the options. Once you select it, what you need to do is confirm your decision to close the account. Now once that's done, you receive a confirmation message that your TWINT account has been deactivated, and then if you can't deregister through the app, you can contact PostFinance customer support, PostFinance TWINT support page, or call the PostFinance customer service at 0848 888 710, that is within Switzerland. Once your account is closed, you can delete the PostFinance TWINT app from your phone. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.